Forest then they one place, then they laugh, then they drink bottle. They never come and say, I dey find you trouble. But to that way, they think not be one person then they kill here. That 100 people they want kill. Because if you trouble come here, you don't know small picking. You don't know anything. Anybody. Any person where enter the village, any person where you see now to shoot and kill them, you don't go know that day brother. Something before army come, you think say some army self you don't go feel.
Look at your face, self. You know.
I tell you. He get a place where some fight the boss there, then call army go there, it's run down like this. He carry the whole gun, give the Fulani. They carry and go, they say make it then go. No be so they happen. Okay.
And anybody where they kill, they don't kill.
They don't kill. We as they see us, he get something where we they see, where we sabi, but we don't tire, we don't want them.
Yesterday, whole Fulani for there would they meet it.
Yesterday, they call us, then go meet Buhari for grant.
Yes.
For Abuja.
Yes, yeah.
You see, they go meet Buhari like this. They beg Buhari. They say Buhari, they want to do something for Abonyi here. Buhari say make it they not try and make it they wait.
Wow, no good.
Now in a village, if these people will be group, na Igbo, no be saying another country. Like making the notice say that way Boko Haram they do. They test say then they do them, then they succeed. Boko Haram say where you see where then they do and not be one language. They are gift group. Yeah. But they don't go come for village like we begin to kill this and kill this and they go. Make we not tell these people. When you see this report, you don't need the whole Nigeria. Abonyi, you get to wait in the sea. Who they tell you now? Now the day where you see say Fulani don't pack it their house go. No single Fulani. You wait there here, go tell you say no sleep. But you now be eye here. Make una the control. Make una the tell them. I beg. Anyhow trouble we good. Peace is better person.
Yes, sir. If
they sing, how they sing, it better. Quiet is better. Not be way something don't happen before you say, huh? If you to say I know, I for do like this. That one don't pass. See? If you see this man where them go kill it, them burn him. His wife he died last week. Only him with his pikin. He can't kill the father again, live on zero. Now they don't carry and that day way them go give the Buhari the pepper, Buhari they cry.
Sure.
You get one people from Zampara, they say now human being they do this thing. They say I be make we leave it. We say no. We know they carry our action first. Make it the report to reach everywhere first. I think they hear me. Okay, so far say you see then they carry this thing go far. America people then they put this thing then they hear them. Okay, if the day where the trouble boss, who go help you?
Nobody.
See? Before you see government know, some people don't die. What that government go? As this is what they do for film now. Where government? Maybe some people carry the children they run. But you then thank God if in a Fulani they know that way then they run, they know they see where then they follow run. Like I tell you, Fulani fight is no good. Oh. We they tell you now when you see or say these people were like bush. Fear them more. Make I they tell you. Any person where you don't see that fight where you see there, you know go pray God for your life. Make you fight with that people. We might as we dey here now, we dey fear. That's why you see anything where we hear sometimes we know they make a call. You get some call where they do, it go bad for you.
It go affect you and
it go
even
affect you.